Hi everyone, and welcome to this testimonial video. My name is Carlota Ramos. I'm the marketing manager at Boundless, and I'm here today with Leo Fischer. Leo is one of the Meraki team members, and I'm very happy to have him with me today and to have the opportunity to interview him. So welcome, Leo.
Hi, Carlota. Super excited to be here with you today.
Me too. How are you today?
I'm fine. Monday morning in London, and it's not raining, so great start of the week. Let's go.
Absolutely. So Leo, before we start, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about who you are?
Sure. So yeah, Leo Fischer. I'm an engineer, solution architect here at Cisco Meraki.
Okay, and for those who, I'm sure that everyone knows Cisco Meraki right now, but maybe some of don't. So can you tell us a bit more about who is Cisco Meraki and what do you do?
Sure. Yeah. No, I think in 2020, everyone had probably hopefully heard about Cisco Meraki, but for those who are not really too sure, Meraki got acquired by Cisco in 2012, so a little bit more than 8 years ago now. And the reason we got acquired is because Cisco didn't actually have a solution to cloud manage networking equipment. And today we are the leader in that field, where in a single pane of glass, it allows you to control anything from your wireless, security, switching, mobile device management, your app management, your camera, and your sensor, all this into one single pane of glass.
So Leo, it is my understanding that you've been at Cisco Meraki already for a while. Mm-hmm. So can you tell us a bit more about your history at Meraki and what do you
Sure.
do?
Yeah, I mean, for this Meraki standard, I'm a veteran, let's put it that way. You know, more than 6 years here at Cisco Meraki. I've done all different types of jobs, from a technical evangelist to work in product, to be an engineer, system engineers. So today I'm a solution architect, and I think it's the best of both worlds, because I'm really helping my partners to actually make the most of Cisco Meraki's technology today. So we can categorize my job into like 3 different avenues. So the first one is, of course, getting better at Cisco Meraki, you know, getting this technical enablement, making sure that my partners really feel comfortable with the technology. And the second one is to help directly my partner to really transition to the next 5 to 10 years digitally, meaning that instead of selling a box or taking a box and just selling it, why don't we actually wrap services on top of that, you know, really helping them to use more value with their customers. And thirdly, is tied obviously to the 2 first categories, to help my partners to leverage APIs. So what it actually means in simplistic way is that try to drive more value with APIs. So don't repeat tasks, really start automate more of your day-to-day tasks, so you can actually start selling more services back to your customers.
Great. And indeed, this is the part where you've been of extreme help to us. So thank you very much.
My pleasure. No, thank you. You have been extremely helpful with my partners.
We are helping each other.
Exactly.
Situation. So actually, this is great because it's leading me to the next question that I had for you. Well, we've been partnering with Cisco Meraki here at Boundless for a while now, and especially with you, we have a long-lasting relationship. So could you tell us a bit more about how did it started? How did you know about Boundless Digital?
Yeah, I mean, Boundless Digital is like a child of Cisco Meraki, I would say. You know, I think, you know, I've been working with Noel for many years. He used to work at Cisco Meraki, so he knows the company inside out, and he knows a little bit, you know, what is the mission and how he can actually drive value to that. So we have been working on multiple projects, you know, with various partners over the last few years, you know, ranging from wireless, from video analytics and automation. And I think what's great here is really the fact that Boundless Digital has a really good understanding of the market and customers' need, and also what our partners requires in order to be successful.
Yeah, indeed, as you mentioned, Noel, who is our CEO and founder here at Boundless, has been part of the Meraki team for a while as well before
I
But
just see him as an
that's
extension of Cisco Meraki, absolutely.
so for sure we have a very good understanding on the market and Cisco Meraki as well. And if I had to ask you as of today, what is what you like the most about Boundless Digital? Because for sure we have done, I mean, we have evolved over the past 4 years, starting with focusing on captive portals and Wi-Fi, now moving towards automation in order to make sure that we are answering the industry needs. So for you, what is what you will highlight from our offer, what you like best?
I think if I just step back a little bit back, you know, I work, one of my jobs is to work with a lot of different startups, a lot of different companies to actually help me and my partners to make the most of technology today. And I've worked with many partners, technology partners that haven't evolved. So I only stick to only one thing as I don't actually see or try to capture, you know, new trends today. And I think what's great with Boundless Digital overall is like Meraki. You know, there's the speed of evolution and adaptability is great. So the ease of use, you know, the automation and APIs, you know, piece is extremely important in nowadays. And this is why I love about Boundless Digital is this relationship that it's a partnership. You know, it's about, hey, you know, I exaggerate, but I can pick up the phone and say, hey, Boundless, I need that solution for a specific customer or partners. You know, guess what? You know, in a matter of a few weeks, I know that I will have a portal now that allows me to actually be able to do that in a very simple way.
That was wonderful. So yes, actually, one of the key things that I wanted to get out of this interview is the keywords that will define Boundless Digital, in your opinion. So I'm taking from your last word that simplicity will be one of them, which is actually very, very cool because it really matches Cisco Meraki's values, like the biggest values. The second one you mentioned, efficiency. Through automations, through the use of APIs.
Absolutely. I think, you know, simple, you know, not reinventing the wheel, but, you know, Cisco Meraki, we're extremely successful. We are the growth engine within Cisco. And the reason is because we have been simple. We have managed to take something complicated and make something very simple and very efficient. And efficiency today is also very key for our partners, you know, and customers. Today, in those very strange times, you need to be able to make the most with what you actually have. And API and Boundless Digital is just like a match made in heaven, whereas I can really drive, you know, efficiency and savings at the end of the day. So definitely something very important to looking at.
Indeed. So let's finish this interview with one quick exercise. If I ask you to, let's say you have to recommend Boundless Digital. No, let's put it out of the way. You have one client or one partner that may require automation services or to gain some efficiency on their network management. And you think, well, Boundless Digital is going to be the perfect partner for you. How would you recommend it?
Well, I would recommend in the same way as I position Cisco Meraki, you know, in one dashboard, you actually have multiple solutions. And today, Boundless is really leading the API automation, you know, and I think that will be the way, you know, are you looking for efficiency? Are you looking to actually have everything into one platform? Don't look further, you know, Boundless Digital will provide you, you know, with a lot of solutions that will drive efficiency, cost saving with your customers.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for being with us today, Leo. This has been great. A lot of value, a lot of insights coming from this interview. So thank you so much and have a good day. Speak soon.
Thank you, Carlotta. Thank you, Boundless. See you later.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.